just spent 3 months using Notion AI for everything, and I'm about to tell you something that might shock you. Most Notion AI reviews completely miss the one thing that makes or breaks this tool for real users. Today, I'm giving you the brutally honest truth about Notion AI in 2025. No sugarcoating, no affiliate bias, just the raw facts you need to know before spending your hard-earned money. By the end of this review, you'll know exactly whether Notion AI deserves a spot in your productivity toolkit. And trust me, the answer might surprise you. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Notion AI? It's the AI-powered upgrade to the already popular Notion workspace platform. Think of it as your personal writing assistant that lives right inside your notes, databases, and project management setup. Unlike standalone AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, Notion AI integrates seamlessly with your existing workspace. You can generate content, summarize notes, and even create action items without ever leaving Notion. But here's where it gets interesting, and where most people get it completely wrong. Notion AI comes packed with features that sound incredible on paper. Let me break down the big three that everyone talks about. First up, content generation. You can ask it to write blog posts, create meeting agendas, or draft emails. The quality? Actually pretty impressive for most basic tasks. Second feature, summarization. This is where Notion AI really starts to shine. It can take your messy meeting notes and turn them into clean, actionable summaries in seconds. Third, and this is the game changer, database automation. You can ask it to populate your project databases, create templates, or even analyze data patterns. Now here's the part most people miss, the context awareness. Because it lives inside Notion, it understands your workspace structure and can reference your existing content. That's huge. Okay, let's get real. I tested Notion AI against two major competitors, ChatGPT Plus and Jasper AI, using the same prompts for 3 months. For basic writing tasks, Notion AI performed surprisingly well. It generated clean, coherent content about 85% of the time. Not bad at all. But here's where things get tricky. Complex creative tasks. When I asked it to write detailed technical tutorials or creative marketing copy, it fell short compared to specialized tools. The real strength showed up in workflow integration. While ChatGPT required constant copy-pasting, Notion AI seamlessly updated my project databases and created linked pages automatically. Here's my honest take. It's not the smartest AI out there, but it might be the most convenient for Notion users. Let's talk money, because this is where Notion AI gets controversial. The pricing structure is actually pretty straightforward, but there's a catch most reviews don't mention. Notion AI costs $8 per month per user on top of your existing Notion subscription. If you're already paying for Notion Pro, you're looking at $18 monthly total. Compare that to ChatGPT Plus at $20 monthly, and it seems reasonable. But, and this is important, ChatGPT gives you unlimited usage while Notion AI has response limits. The real question becomes, are you paying for the AI or the convenience? For heavy Notion users, that convenience factor is actually worth quite a bit. Time for the brutal truth. Let me give you the pros and cons that matter most after 3 months of real-world testing. Pros first. The integration is absolutely seamless. No more switching between apps or losing context. Everything happens right in your workspace. Second major pro, the learning curve is practically zero. If you know Notion, you can use Notion AI immediately. No complex prompting required. Now for the cons, and this is important. The AI quality isn't cutting edge. You'll get better raw output from GPT-4 or Claude directly. Second con, those usage limits. Heavy users will hit the monthly cap faster than expected, especially during busy project periods. Third con, it's completely dependent on Notion's ecosystem, no mobile app optimization and limited offline capabilities. So here's my final verdict after 3 months of intensive testing. Notion AI isn't the smartest AI tool available in 2025, but it might be the most practical for specific users. If you're already deep in the Notion ecosystem and value workflow efficiency over raw AI power, it's absolutely worth the investment. But if you're looking for the most advanced AI capabilities, or you're not a heavy Notion user, your money is better spent elsewhere. The honest truth? Notion AI succeeds because of integration, not innovation. And for the right user, that's exactly what matters. What's your experience with Notion AI? Drop a comment below and let me know if you agree with this review. Smash that like button if this helped you make a decision, and subscribe for more honest AI tools reviews in 2025. I'll see you in the next one.